Hi guys, this is Rob from Iceboxauto here today. Just going to show you today's install, which is on a Mini. It is the older series, which as you can probably you're fully aware of your Minis, because we do get a lot of people who are Mini Coopers and other dashes and that. So this is the one which comes with this whole frame here. All goes round there. As I say, I think this is about 2004. This car. This is the interface on there. The main home page is an Android 13 unit. Comes with an 8-core processor and 432 gig of RAM. Now the question everyone normally asks is about this here, which is a little strip. It says KMH. Unfortunately, you can't change it. Just with us being in the minority of the mass market, being right-hand driving on KPH, MPH should I say, that obviously you can't change that. So you will have to refer to behind the dash, the speedometer behind your steering wheel, to keep function on that. So as you see all these icons here, which basically is the engine management lights, battery lights, traction control, handbrakes, ABS, all that type of stuff. You've got your fuel gauge down here and your temperature gauge here and your fuel gauge there, so all that works fully in conjunction with the system. I say this is the home page. With it being an Android system, works totally fine with Apple phones, so don't worry about that. Android is only the operating system where you download apps to. I say it's totally functional with iPhone on Bluetooth, Wi-Fi tethering, music streaming, stuff like that. Now it can do mirror link, but I won't sell it to you for mirror link. Only reason being is because a lot of the factories aren't paying for the license on the mirror link app. So as they're putting all the money into the CarPlay function of the system, then they'll find out the mirror link will start to be phased out and become less compatible with your phone the more you update the OS. So it's got mirror it, but don't come back at me if you find out you've got issues with the mirror link. Only reason being is because of that. This can do everything the mirror link can do anyway, and more, because obviously mirror links only just mirrors your phone. You still have to use your phone to change features off the screen, which is dangerous when you're driving. But obviously if you download the YouTube app, Netflix, you can use the touchscreen of the system as you're doing that, so forget about mirror link. So this is the navigation. It just basically means we need to set up one of the maps there. So obviously any maps that you got on there, Waze, Copilot, TomTom, Google Maps, stuff like that you've downloaded on the system, they go into here. So if I was to select that, just basically means next time I use that would be Google Maps. So obviously, as you say, you can put any maps of choice on there. So I'll just show you the Google Maps there. As you can do, as you would normally expect with Google Maps, see, it's nice and quick and responsive. There you go. So just go back out there. There's your radio app. Does work with the steering wheel controls, as you can see there. Does have RDS, so it will show the station name. So we just need to switch the RDS on. So obviously when we do a new tune, then it'll show all the station names on there also. Let's go back on one there. So obviously it'll do when you do, oh there you go, it says Radio City there, so obviously it does show station names. Just go back onto your music. So this application here and this application here is for when you put your music or your films onto a pen drive, and it comes with the USB cable. It comes with 2 USB cables. You can put your pen drive in there and play your movies and pen music through that app there. Bluetooth, everyone knows what that is. Phone book support. Also it's got your music streaming app through there, so obviously that's where you take your phone calls through. Browser, pretty much if you want to go internet searching for Iceboxauto products. File, this is where you can upload external apps onto there. So obviously if you find an app that's not in the Play Store, i.e. IPTV, you can put it on through that way. Gallery, don't know actually what that's for, you can watch pictures of yourself, I don't know. Guides, there's an e-manual on there. So obviously these systems tend not to come with a PDF no more. Or sorry, they don't come with a paper version of that use a guide. The only reason being is because the factories put them on as an e-manual, because they just hate paying for the paper version of it. Every time they do an update in the Android series, they find out they got loads of paperwork left over in the factory because it's outdated. Okay, let's have a little look. 1 second. What else have we got there? This is all your back-end settings for Android, as you would normally know if you're an Android user, and also a lot of things you can change with the Android settings for the cars, the original car settings and stuff like that. If we go into here, is all your applications. So a lot of these are on the home page, but obviously there's a lot more on here, which is where all your apps will go into. This one here is your CarPlay, Android Auto, not set up today, but obviously that's where you got your CarPlay and Android Auto to do, both on a wireless connection. Got a built-in DSP sound processor, so basically it allows you to enhance your sound. If you are a bit of a wizard when it comes to your amps and your speakers and your subwoofers and all that, then obviously there's a lot of fine-tuning you can do in there. Control, that's your steering wheel controls, which obviously is all set up anyway. Let's have a little look. Okay, let's have a look on here. Anything of interest? There's your Play Store. So if you want to log onto the Play Store here, you can just log onto your Play Store and download all the applications of choice through there, as you can see. Nice and swift and responsive. Go back out. Radio, there's your FM radio. Settings, I believe you've been in there already. Video player, you've seen YouTube, everyone knows what that is because you're probably watching this video. Okay, so I think that's pretty much it, guys. So I'll bring it to an end. Hope you liked the video. Give us a shout if you need us, and we'll put this link down in the description below, as well as our contact details, and get in touch with us anytime. Thanks a lot, bye bye.